Konke sekumingomumo ngaphambi kwenkulumo kamengameli ayethulela isizwe kusasa Iziphathimandla zasephalamende behholo amalungiselelo ehholo lase Kapa njengoba lizobe lisingatha lenkulumo okokuqala ngqa ngenxa umlilo owanqonqisa iphalamende ngasekuqaleni kukaMasingana.
The State of the Nation address is held at the instance of the President, who addressed a letter to Parliament, and we are at a point now where, as I've said, it's all systems go.
Umasondo uthe iyaqhubeka imizamo yokuqinisekisa ukuthi kuncishiswa isikhwama esisetshenziswa ekusingathweni kwalomcimbi.
If you have to look at the budget of Parliament, about 2-3 years ago, the budget was stood at about 6-point-something million, and the latest figure, as reported by the acting secretary to Parliament, Baby Chawa, at a minimum, it were around 1.9. At the worst scenario is that it can be about say 4 million or so.
Nomthetho uzosebenza ngokujwayelekile uma kukhona abaphazamisa inkulumo kamengameli.
In relation to possible disruption in the House, we are saying that the presiding officers will apply the rules, and therefore we do not really at this stage see any possibility of disruption. But should this arise, the way things work is such that those difficulties will be addressed.
Ihholo lase Kapa lizoqhubeka nokuba sezandleni zephalamende ngesonto elizayo njengoba kuzobanjwa inkulumo mpikiswano ngenkulumo kamengameli ngomsombuluko bese umengameli eyaziphendulela ngoLwesithathu olizayo.